The BMW F750 GS is a versatile adventure motorcycle designed to offer the perfect balance between off-road capability and everyday usability. This bike caters to riders who crave adventure but also need a reliable and comfortable motorcycle for daily commutes and long-distance touring. Here's a closer look at what makes the BMW F750 GS a standout choice in the adventure bike segment. The BMW F750 GS features a sleek and dynamic design that reflects its dual-purpose nature. Its compact and agile frame, combined with an attractive, modern aesthetic, makes it appealing to a broad range of riders. The bike comes equipped with a comfortable, ergonomically designed seat and a windscreen that provides adequate protection from the elements, enhancing rider comfort on long journeys. At the heart of the F750 GS is an 853cc parallel twin engine that produces 77 horsepower and 61 pound-feet of torque. This engine is designed to deliver smooth and consistent power, making it ideal for both city riding and off-road adventures. The bike features a 6-speed gearbox and ride-by-wire throttle, providing precise control and a responsive riding experience. The F750 GS is built for versatility and ease of handling. Its suspension setup includes a telescopic front fork and a preload adjustable rear shock, offering a comfortable ride over various terrains. The bike's 19-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear wheel provide a good balance between off-road capability and on-road stability, ensuring a confident ride in diverse conditions. The bike features a full-color TFT display that provides essential information at a glance, including speed, navigation, and vehicle status. Riders can connect their smartphones via Bluetooth to access additional functionalities like music, calls, and navigation. Safety features include ABS, automatic stability control, ASC, and optional riding modes Pro, which adjust the bike's performance to match different riding conditions and preferences. The BMW F750 GS is designed with rider comfort in mind. Its ergonomically designed seat and adjustable handlebars ensure a comfortable riding position, while the low seat height makes it accessible to a wide range of riders. The bike's windscreen and bodywork provide good protection from wind and weather, reducing fatigue on long rides.